Question 4. So Ursula is lying on her surfboard 180 metres away from the foot of a vertical cliff. The height of the cliff is 146 metres. So you've got a little diagram here to help you. Ursula was told that if the angle of elevation of the top of the cliff from her lying position is between 42 and 45, it's safe for her to attempt to stand on her surfboard. Calculate the angle of elevation and then state whether it's safe. Okay, so if we join this up and let's mark on the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is here. Okay, so we want to work out this angle here. I've got a right angle triangle, so I'm going to use trigonometry. So I'm going to start by labelling my sides. So this is opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. The side I don't need is the hypotenuse because it hasn't got any information on it. So I'm working with O and A, which is TOA. So I'm going to draw out my little triangle to help me. So TOA. The part of the triangle that we're working out is T because we're working out the angle. So tan X equals O over A. So it equals 146 over 180. Now, to work out X, we have to do the inverse. So it's tan to the minus 1 of 146 over 180. And I can just pop that into my calculator. Make sure you're in the right mode. It should have a D at the top. So shift tan 146 divided by 180. And it gives me the answer 39 degrees. Okay, so that gets 3 marks. The last mark comes from whether, what we need to put, whether it was safe or not. So is it safe for Ursula to attempt to stand? Well, no, it's not, because it says it has to be between 42 and 45. So is she too near the cliff or is she too far out at sea? Well, she's too far out in sea, because if the surfboard was in closer, I would be making this angle bigger. So it's not safe to stand because she is too far out